you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in FIFA 24, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Navigate to the audio settings in FIFA 24. Ensure that voice chat is enabled and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Step 2. Verify platform settings. If you're on a console, check the system settings for audio and voice chat. Make sure that voice chat is allowed and that your microphone is functioning properly. Step 3. Test your microphone. Use a different application or game to test your microphone. This will help determine if the issue is with FIFA 24 specifically or with your microphone setup. Step 4. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting FIFA 24 can resolve temporary glitches. Close the game completely and then relaunch it to see if the voice chat works. Step 5. Update the game. Ensure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including issues with voice chat. Check for updates and install them if available. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the voice chat issues in FIFA 24. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.